Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change video quality in Telegram. So if you downloaded a video on Telegram and I want to change the video quality before you go ahead and watch it, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to change video quality in Telegram, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Telegram application. And open the video you want to change its quality. Let's say you play the video just like this. Now to change the video quality, click on the settings gear icon at the top of the video. Then you should see the quality options appear. Under video quality, select the quality you want to use. You can choose between 1080p to 720 and 480p. Then once you select the video quality, then you should see the video refreshed. Then this is going to improve the video quality or reduce the video quality based on your option. You see that? And then you're good to go. So that's exactly how to change video quality in Telegram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.